Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix Discord screen share not working or having an issue like a black screen. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to share your screen without any problems. Let's get started by opening Discord. So let's go ahead and go to Profile and then scroll down and then tap on Log Out. Once you log out, you're gonna want to sign in again and see if that solved the problem. If it didn't, I'm sorry, but don't worry because we have another solution. Go to your homepage, hold Discord, delete the app, and once you delete it, uninstall and then log back in, and now see if that worked. I really hope it helped you. If you think it was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.